afternoon, y'all. Here, 7th Street, Gonzales, Austin, Texas. Come down here and look at a job, see the skyline, man. How many cranes y'all got in y'all city? How many cranes y'all got in y'all city? We got, I counted 13 tower cranes from my vantage point. Man, if you go down through here, man, there's just a lot going on. Grateful for that. We're here. We got a tower crane here on our site, trying to finish up. We're gonna be utilizing it tomorrow. Safe. We're here at a new building, new apartment complex. Got a parking garage in the center of it. But yeah, I was just curious, what's your city looking like? How's it going? What's the industry looking like? Welding industry, construction industry. Sure, something's happening everywhere, but now I'm just grateful for where we're at right now. Opportunities, you never know when the door may open, and that's kind of one of the mantras for KBG Welding is, man, walk through the doors that open. Walk through open doors, man. Whatever door opens, walk through it. Don't fret over the ones that aren't, because your time will come. Work at your craft, hone your skills, become more efficient, become more